After the Pahalgam terrorist attack, the Indian government took tough measures. They are announced to close the Atari-Wagah border. So after that, you can see now there is a sense of panic at the Atari border where the Pakistani nationals have gathered in big number to return back to their countries. These Pakistani nationals had came to here to meet their relatives, near ones, dear ones. But now, after the closure of the border was announced, there is a sense of panic for the people to return back. Not only the Pakistani nationals are going back, but also Indians who are married in Pakistan are also heading back. Although they are in a sense of panic that they'll be allowed or not. But yes, these are the scenes of at Atari border as the border is closing and the Pakistani nationals have been given a deadline by the Modi government to vacate India. So these are the scenes here, and continuously this panic grows in Atari border after the Pahalgam terror attack. As the Atari border closes after the Pahalgam attack, there's a huge queue of the Pakistani nationals who want to go back to their country. We have a family who's a Pakistani national and they want to go back to their country. Hani, ma'am,
We're forced to go back.
can I have your name, please?
Radaba.
Rudaba ji, you're a Pakistani national.
Yes.
Why you were in India, where you were in India, and why you want to go back?
We were in India to meet our relatives, especially my mother. She is above 90. And to spend time, a good time with my brothers and sister who are also here. In India, we belong to district Bulandshahr, that is in UP. And that is a small Qasba, Siana.
Yeah.
And we are being forced to go back. We are not happy with this because it is very, very difficult to achieve a visa. In the first place, we applied for a visa that was in September. Then we got it in February. And now we traveled all the through with all the difficulties.
So ever since the news came in that the border will be closing, how scared you people were to rush back
I
home?
was not scared because it's none of our fault. I was not scared, but we have to leave
A sense
early.
of panic was there?
Yes, there was a panic. And from the very moment we heard the news, we just started preparing to leave.
Can I have your
To go
name,
back.
please? Can I have your name, please?
Naushad.
Naushad ji, these kind of terror activities often happen, they have been happening, but how the innocent tourists have been killed. What do you feel about them? And if anyone is sponsoring this, what action must be
You
taken?
can talk to her in Urdu, Hindi.
क्या action होना चाहिए?
बस अब हम क्या कह सकते हैं, ये तो सब नजर आ रहा है सबको, अब इसके अलावा तो कुछ कह नहीं सकते. बस ये अल्लाह मियां जिसको भी है, जिसने भी किया उसको सजा मिले, और इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं.
क्योंकि काफी इनोसेंट इंडियन टूरिस्ट जो घूमने गए थे बच्चों के साथ, उनको मारा गया.
जी बहुत. हाँ, अब अफसोस की बात है. अब ये तो अब दोनों गवर्नमेंट का वो है कि अब मालूम करें किस तरह से क्या हुआ, क्या है क्या नहीं.
And it is often accused that the elements from across the border in Pakistan, they basically do these kind of activities and are involved in these killings. So you feel this all should stop in the interest of peace?
It should stop. Just for a peaceful atmosphere between the two countries and the citizens who suffered the most. So for them also it is not good. I think the relationship was going on very well and we had no difficulty, no problem crossing the border and living there. And now suddenly it happened and we have to go back. So that is why we are very sorry for those also who died in this.
Yeah.
Yes. We are very
So you heard quite clearly that they are in a sense of panic and they feel that it is very sad the people who lost their life in Pahalgam terror attack. But yes, they also say that anybody who is behind this must be punished. From Atari border with camera person Girish, this is Sim Bassi, India Today.